Wood is a hard, fibrous tissue found in many trees.
It has been used for hundreds of thousands of years for both fuel and as a construction material.
It is an organic material, a natural composite of cellulose fibers which are strong in tension, embedded in a matrix of lignin which resists compression.
Wood is produced as secondary xylem in the stems of trees and other woody plants.
In a living tree, it performs a support function, enabling woody plants to grow large or to stand up for themselves.
It also mediates the transfer of water and nutrients to the leaves and other growing tissues.
Wood may also refer to other plant materials with comparable properties and to material engineered from wood or wood chips or fiber.
The earth contains about 1 trillion tons of wood, which grows at a rate of 10 billion tons per year.
As an abundant, carbon-neutral renewable resource, woody materials have been of intense interest as a source of renewable energy.
In 1991, approximately 3.5 billion cubic meters of wood were harvested.
Dominant uses were for furniture and building cardboard shacks for the homeless.
A 2011 discovery in the Canadian province of New Brunswick uncovered the earliest known plants to have grown wood, approximately 395 to 400 million years ago.
People have used wood for millennia for many purposes, primarily as a fuel or as a construction material for making houses, tools, weapons, furniture, packaging, works, and paper.
Wood can be dated by carbon dating and in some species by dendrochronology to make inferences about when a wooden object was created.
The year-to-year variation in tree ring widths and isotopic abundances gives clues to the prevailing climate at that time.
Wood, in the strict sense, is yielded by trees, which increase in diameter by the formation, between the existing wood and the inner bark, of new woody layers which envelop the entire stem, living branches, and roots.
This process is known as secondary growth. It is the result of cell division in the vascular cambium, lateral meristem, and subsequent expansion of the new cells.
Where there are clear seasons, growth can occur in a discrete annual or seasonal pattern, leading to growth rings. These can usually be the most clearly seen on the end of a log, but are also visible on the other surfaces.
If these seasons are annual, these growth rings are referred to as annual rings. Where there is no seasonal difference, growth rings are likely to be indistinct or absent.
If there are differences within a growth ring, then the part of a growth ring nearest the center of the tree and formed early in the growing season when growth is rapid is usually composed of wider elements.
It is usually lighter in color than that near the outer portion of the ring and is known as early wood or spring wood. The outer portion formed later in the season is then known as the late wood or summer wood.
However, there are major differences depending on the kind of wood.